Okay class, good morning. We're going to get started on our manufacturing projects.
This is so boring.
Yeah. Where are we?
I don't know.
Welcome to Central Susquehanna. Put your goggles and hat on and we will start the tour.
Wow, manufacturing is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Aubrey, Brooke, do you have your presentations done?
Actually, we do.
Seriously? Well then tell us.
Our presentation is about Susquehanna, a thermoplastic company in Bloomsburg.
When we arrived at first, we were confused, but they gave us a tour.
We met some amazing people.
I am a color technician.
I am the Senior App Lab Specialist.
I am the Color Technology Manager.
I am a color specialist.
And we learned a lot about plastic.
First, they take colored powder and then mix it up to create the plastic.
Then, they make sure they have the exact color their customer ordered.
After they get the right color, they test the quality of the plastic.
And finally, they cut the plastic into the right shape and send the finished product to the customer. This plastic is used around the world in products like airplanes, medical equipment, cars, and building interiors.
Each person has a different task they have to do.
I need to be able to create the color that customers want to. They cannot buy sheet if it is not in color.
If production's having an issue making material, we can help them make the material correctly.
Well, a lot of my job focuses on building the relationship between production and customers.
I focus on making colors for designers.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
When I see our product out and about, like, hey, I actually probably made that color.
What's so cool about manufacturing is that our product goes in a lot of things that are used around the world.
I get to break plastic. That's pretty fun. That's pretty cool.
I really enjoy making stuff. I never would have thought that this was the process of making thermoplastics.
I think for me it's working with new people all the time.
And that's our presentation.